Working with Shaby. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more networking tutorials every week. In our previous video, we learned how to set up a basic network using a switch and two computers. Today, we are taking a step further. We will learn how to configure a router in Cisco Packet Tracer to connect two different networks together. So in this video, we will learn about how to create a simple topology using a router, assign IP addresses to PCs and interface, and we also learn about configuring router interfaces using the CLI, or we also learn test connectivity using the pin command. So let's get started. Now we are opening the Cisco Packet Tracer. Click. Now Cisco Packet Tracer app is open. So we have to drag two PCs, one PC here, one PC for one network. After using these two pieces, we have to drag two switches, one switch here, one switch here. Now we will take one router to communicate between the different networks. Router is used to communicate between the two different networks. Now connect PC 0 with switch 0 like this, and also connect PC 1 with switch 1. So this is a basic network, and to communicate with different networks we are using router. Now we can see all the switch and router is connected with each other. Now we have to configure it. Now we have to assign the two IP addresses in different PCs, PC0 and PC1. So let's configure the IP addresses. Click on PC0, click on desktop, click on IP configuration. So we will give IP address to PC0 192.168.1.10, and the subnet mask will be, it will take automatically. Now it's time to configure it's time to assign the IP to the PC1. Let's click on PC1, click on desktop, click on IP configuration. Now for this PC we will give different IP, 192.168.2.1. Make sure both are in different networks. Sorry, we will give here 2.10. Yeah. Now we will configure the router interfaces so they can communicate with these networks. For router configuration, we have to click on router, open the CLI command and start typing commands. So we will start here, go to privilege mode, enable. We have to go in config terminal to configure the IPs. Enter. We are in config terminal, you can see here. So to configure the IP in the router, first of all we have to check the in which port the wire is connected, this cable and this cable is connected. So when we take the cursor here, we can see the port number. So one port is connected in gig ethernet 0/0/0, and another one is connected in gig ethernet 0/0/1. So let's configure. Open the CLI command line interface, then type the port number. using this command interface giga ethernet 0/0/0. Now for this port we are assigning the IP address 192.168.1.1. After typing the IP address, we have also typed subnet mask 255.255.0. Enter. So we have to keep this port up. So type this command no shutdown. Enter. So here you can see line protocol on interface giga ethernet change state to up. Now enter. Same procedure for the next port. First we have to exit, enter. Now same procedure for the next port to up that interface giga ethernet 0/0/1. Enter. Now assign the IP address to this port. IP address 192.168.2.1. And don't forget to type the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Enter. Same, no shutdown. Enter. Now you can see this port changed to up. Now both interfaces are active. If you want to verify, type first you exit from this, exit, then exit. To verify the ports are up, show IP interface brief. Enter. So you can clearly see gig ethernet 0/0/0 192.168.1.1 up. Same 0/0/1 192.168.2.1 up. You should see both interfaces are up and assigned with the correct IP addresses. Now test the connectivity. Now let's test if the PCs can communicate through the router. First go to PC0. After going, then open the command prompt, then type ping 192.168.2.1, sorry 2.10. So carefully type the IP address. If everything is configured correctly, you will get a successful reply, which means the router is routing packets between both networks. So let's check. Enter. Let's forward it, then check. Okay, good. Now try to ping from PC0 to PC1. So let's type the command ping 192.168.2.10. Enter. So we can clearly see the packets are sent and received. Loss is 0. Now again try to ping this from this network. Go backside, then in command prompt ping 192.168.1.10. Enter. So We can see it's sharing the data from each to each other. If your ping fails, don't worry. Here are quick troubleshooting tips. Check if cables are connected properly. Verify IP addresses and subnet masks. Make sure the router interfaces are not shut down. Try saving the configuration with write or copy run start command. That's all for today tutorial. You have just learned how to configure your first router in Cisco Packet Tracer, a key step for your CCNA journey. If this video helped you, please give it a thumb up, subscribe and share it with your friends who are learning networking. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.